Without Stack, it would just be a lot more work, a lot more time, and a lot more cost, really. Hi, I'm Chris Skid. I'm with Ecotone LLC, and we are a design-build ecological restoration company based out of Forest Hill, Maryland. Part of what Ecotone does is beaver management. We put in what are called flow management devices that allow the water level to be set at a certain height, but also allow the beaver dam to stay in place and to keep the beaver where they are. For Stack, I would print out a full-size set of plans and just try to capture everything, measure everything by hand, have an extensive Excel spreadsheet to try to capture all these lengths and square yardages and whatnot. We're dealing with plan pages sometimes that were 20, 30, 40 pages. So you can imagine having to print all those out, wasting paper, wasting ink, spending more money, doing hand takeoffs that take quite some time, and then having to store that data somewhere else. Whereas Stack takes all that within one system. It's cloud-based. We have multiple users working on it at the same time. The user interface and just the ease of just using it is really what makes it stand out. It's really point and click, trying to draw straight lines, curved lines, polygons. The scaling function, whether it's a common scale that's used often, or if it's something that really has never been used before, you can simply scale the page for whatever scale is on there, and you can start taking off. The time it takes to put just one single bid out has gone down significantly. You have to be efficient, and Stack has certainly allowed us to do that. Not only the time it takes to bid the project, but the confidence level you now have in bidding it, which ultimately is going to lower your bid price and help you win the bid in the long run.